Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to program battery on BMW. Every time you replace the battery, you have to program the battery. This is because newer battery will hold more charge, and it's very complicated charging system on BMWs, and it keeps track of the age of the battery and all these factors. So this BMW guys, I'll demonstrate it never ever had a battery replacement registered in the computer, which is very wrong. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll be using Maxisys right here guys. Amazing tool, works for almost any vehicle you can think of, even like Ferraris and things like that. And this is the programming device that it comes with. All the links will be shared in the description of the video below. So all you have to do now, okay, connect the programming device to the OBD port. Have the ignition of the vehicle on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition on. Okay, just like that, you can see. Okay, we'll need to click VIN number. It's going to auto-detect the vehicle, so we don't have to manually select 2006, BMW, and all that stuff. So it's auto-detecting now. Okay, we need to give it a little bit of time. This is the VIN number right here, so we click OK. This is a 325 XI, you can see 2006 model. We confirm that this is the correct vehicle. Now, this thing here, it's going to take a little bit of time, so we'll wait for it to load. Okay, perfect. Now, it's going to be any minute, and it's going to detect all the computers in the system, so all that thing will take a little bit of time. You can see this means that there is connection between the OBD port programming device and the tablet, and there is connection with the vehicle. Everything is loading now, and it's super easy to use too. You can do almost anything you can think of on that BMW. I've used it so far. And we're going to go to hot function right here. Select hot function. After that, you're going to select battery. And let me show you, okay, register battery replacement, how this battery guys, this vehicle never seen a battery replacement registration before. So we can check battery exchange history display. Okay, right here. Continue. Okay, and you can see the last battery was replaced at 0 kilometers. So you can see that it never been taken to BMW, or nobody had the tool to register it. And that's not good. Okay, let me return to selection. Okay, and we're going to click register battery replacement. Okay, right here, enter battery replacement, same capacity. The current registered battery is 90 amps, 90 amp hour. Okay, this is different than the American system that uses cold cranking amps. In cold cranking amps, ours is 900, which is almost equivalent to 90. This is the closest that we have, but we're going to select the same capacity right here. Normal LED battery to AGM battery. Ours is same capacity, not original BMW component. Click no. Okay, please wait. Okay, last battery replacement right now, it's done at 205,000 kilometers, which is about 128,000 miles. We can continue. Okay, and let me just go back quick now to battery, and I want to check the history, see if it actually is in the history now. Just quick battery exchange history display. Okay, you can see it's in the history. That's the last time it was changed. So end of service function, and these guys will be the whole video how you register a battery on BMW. You can change the capacity and all that stuff. You can do all kind of things with that too. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and many more videos to come to the channel.